a cat. This is what I draw first to make a cat. Then this. Then this. Then this. Then this. Then this. Then this. That's the outline. Now I'm gonna make some inlines. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Ta-da! Ta-da! Just so you know, I have cats. These cats are great. And just so you know, this here is my assistant. She is nice. Her name's Blue Eyes.
Her name's what?
Blue Eyes.
Alright. And what about that guy over there?
That over there is Duncan.
Ah.
He's such a nice kitty cat.
Yeah, he really is. He really is. What do you think, Duncan? Yeah.
Duncan is nice.